For private school registration and regulation rule 2024 Mapung Phana Chatnahanbiyu Haina Desam na appeal Tourakli Democratic Student Alliance Manipur ki Secretary Education Oinam Romes meeting na Tourakpa Chirolamada Lenga ki mahisang singda oza fazana laitaba infrastructure fazana laitaba oza singna matam chana school chatuna mahiroi singda mahitambi daba amadi government na kanglon chubna matam ga chunaba thabak thorong kaya matam chana paikhat pidabana awat pakaya laidi amaromda state asigi school education ke achoba thodang Lauriba private school singsu chap chaba kanglon amagi makada registration amadi regulate tawdabana private school sing pangding da lingkhalakpa sina mahiroi singna mahai masing tambada quality yauna mahi tamba ngamhandri maram asina private school gi registration amadi regulation ek ama sembi naba matam gi oina lengak da taknaduna lakhi loinana ek ama semlaki adubu ek asigi rule gi matung ina private school sing registration tawnaba order anida thoklaba phawba school kharan natana ayamba school sing registration Desam namaru oiba thodang lauduna private school sing Mapung Phana ek asigi rule matung ina regulate tawba ngamdana leiriba asi ngamnaba honagadawri karigumba private school association gi maikaidagi rule asibu apan bapiba yaba logi oiba maikaidagi changsinbagi wafam leirabasu tawbidanaba appeal Tourakli amadi all manipuri recognized private school welfare association amadi lenga ki maru oiba thawpuriba singi mamutana Pigani Taupuriba Singa Mamutana Paminaduna, Yanaba Purakpiduna Ekasi Mapung Phana Chatnahanbiyu Haina su Chiralasina Makatari.